You're close to Timmy, kinda.
Nowhere near Timmy.
Yeah, but you're a little bit like him, innit?
No, nowhere near him. I walk around and that, but not doing the clapping shit.
No, but he's got learning difficulties.
Yeah, the guy will always have learning yeah.
Sorry?
Yeah, the guy will always have learning yeah.
Do it again?
Yeah.
Do it again?
Yeah.
Do it again?
Yeah.
Well, I can't.
No, but he's got learning difficulties.
Yeah, the guy will always have learning yeah. He will always have that.
Let me just have a pee, Tim. I've just seen messages. Oh, that fucking hell, spider! Say, why are the little bodies? And I'm not scared of him, but as long as it's not near me, it's gone now. Why are they so little? The bodies, but they're not like daddy.
Sorry?
They're not like daddy.
Do it again?
Daddy.
Do it again? Do it again? No, do it again.
But they're not like daddy. Daddy long legs.
Minutes gone now. I'm going to bet over half a goal in the first half.
What's
Let me tell you the odds.
what's the
for a laugh?
there's look.
Do it again?
What's
Let me tell you the odds.
what's the
for a laugh?
there's look.
Sorry, do it again?
Odds
What's the
for a laugh?
there's look.
Do it again?
There's look.
She doesn't have it. Do it again?
Look.
Do it again?
Look.
28 minutes gone now. I'm going to bet over half a goal in the first half.
What's
Let me tell you the odds.
what's the
for a laugh?
there's look. I can't tell. Oh, I'm getting clipped on Patel. I can't even see the Patels.
You can't even.
No. What's it
Right,
called?
it's 3-1.
Statistics. That was the word.
Oh, I can't wait to go, to be fair.
Sorry, sorry, what was it?
Oh, I can't wait to go, to be fair. Oh, I can't wait to go, to be fair.
No, do it again? 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 I can't understand what they said. Do it again? Do it again? Do it again? Do it again? Do it again?
Oh, I can't wait to go, to be fair. I don't want to go now because apparently there's like a heat wave over in England, is there?
So in England, you have to have car insurance anyways on your car. I believe this is what is also in other countries. Also, Amazon. So
Sorry?
Amazon. So
Do it again?
So
Do it again? Do it again? Well, I can't.
what is also in other countries. Also, Amazon. So I can't even speak. So as far as I am aware, Amazon does provide their delivery drivers their own insurance policy.
He's got his own language.
He is mentally fucked. Mate, to be honest with you, I think all the Welsh cunts are fucked. Alan Mountjoy, Fern.
Is
You
he
know what I mean?
Welsh? That
The
film?
Lost Prophets, they're all fucked.
Have you watched that video of Rick Mason Alan in the Tesco's or whatever it was?
Ah, mate, that was creepy, wasn't it?
I don't know the funny bit. The first,
Sorry, sorry, what was it?
I don't know the funny bit. The first,
No, do it again?
I don't know the funny bit. The first,
Do it again?
the funny bit. The first,
Do it again?
the funny bit. The first,
Do it again?
the first,
Do it again? I can't understand what they said. Do it again? Do it again? Do it again? Do it again? Do it again?
I don't know the funny bit. The first, the start of it fucking made me laugh.
Way to go, Bob.
Woo!
I don't know, but everybody keeps banging on about Dramatised tonight, so I've just come out of a podcast and they're banging on about Dramatised, so obviously I've put him in. I'm not happy. I'm not convinced, shall we say? Shall we say?
Sorry.
I'm not convinced, shall we say? Shall we say?
Do it again.
Convinced, shall we say? Shall we say?
Do it again.
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 Shall we say?
Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. No, do it again. I don't know what she's saying. She doesn't know. I don't know.
Happy. I'm not convinced, shall we say? Shall we say?
Now, you know what? That's a good idea. There you go, mate. There's a wee 5 minutes for you. Undoxing your naked mother. If you actually care about
What's that, my love?
If you actually care about
What's that, my love?
If you actually care about
What's that, my love?
about
What's that, my love?
undoxing your naked mother. If you actually care about I fucking can't say that word. Relevance on here. You need to get yourself a life.
And if any of you or anyone you know is struggling or affected by today's events, nobody really cares, you should man up. But there are some useful links. There's the PayPal. You can either use Vellies or Lord J's. Cash App, the Samaritans, or Discord. Thank you everybody for joining us for the Velimi.
What?
Thank you everybody for joining us for the Velimi.
No, I can't. Do it again.
Thank you everybody for joining us for the Velimi.
Do it again.
For joining us for the Velimi.
Do it again.
The Velimi.
Do it again.
The Velimi.
Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again.
Thank you everybody for joining us for the Velimi. Thanks, Patels.